Do you want to take control of your money? The 50-30-20 budget rule can help. This simple plan helps you divide your after-tax income into 3 categories: needs, wants, and savings. By following this rule, you can gain control over your finances. You can achieve your financial goals. This rule is not about restricting your life. It's about making informed choices. It's about enjoying your money without guilt. It's about planning for a secure future. Whether you're just starting out or looking to improve your finances, the 50-30-20 rule offers a clear roadmap. It's time to stop wondering where your money goes. It's time to start making your money work for you. Let's dive into each category and explore how this rule can revolutionize your relationship with money. The first and most crucial category is needs, which should account for 50% of your after-tax income. This category encompasses the essential expenses required to live comfortably. These are the non-negotiables, the things you absolutely need to pay for each month. Needs include housing costs like your rent or mortgage payment. They also include utilities such as electricity, water, and gas. Groceries are another essential need, encompassing the food you and your family consume regularly. Transportation costs, whether it's your car payment, public transportation fares, or gas for your vehicle, fall under this category as well. Finally, any debt payments you have, such as student loans or credit card bills, are also considered needs. By allocating 50% of your income to needs, you ensure you can comfortably cover these essential expenses each month. This provides a solid foundation for your budget, allowing you to meet your basic needs without financial stress. Remember, staying within this 50% limit is crucial. This way, you have enough room in your budget for the other important categories: wants and savings. The wants category covers the fun stuff in life and should make up 30% of your after-tax income. This category includes expenses that enhance your quality of life but aren't strictly necessary for survival. Think of it as the nice-to-haves versus the need-to-haves. Dining out at restaurants, catching the latest blockbuster movie, or enjoying a concert with friends all fall under the wants category. These activities bring joy and entertainment but aren't essential for your basic needs. Shopping for new clothes, gadgets, or other non-essential items also falls into this category. The key is to indulge in these wants responsibly, ensuring they don't derail your overall budget. By limiting this category to 30% of your income, you can still enjoy life's pleasures without overspending. It's all about finding a balance between enjoying your money and saving for the future. The final piece of the 50-30-20 budget puzzle is the savings category, which should account for 20% of your after-tax income. This category is crucial for building a secure financial future. It's about consistently setting aside money for both short-term and long-term goals. Short-term savings goals might include building an emergency fund to cover unexpected expenses or saving for a down payment on a car. Long-term goals often involve retirement planning or saving for your children's education. Automating your savings is a fantastic way to ensure you consistently save without actively thinking about it. Many banks offer automatic transfers, allowing you to set a specific amount to be moved from your checking account to your savings account regularly. This set it and forget it approach makes saving effortless.